Will AI replace Google? Could everything you know about searching the web be completely wrong? The tech world is buzzing, and today, we're diving deep to find out if the AI revolution is finally here to dethrone the king of search. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's awesome to see you all again. If you're ready to get your mind blown by some serious tech talk, do me a favor and please click the like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Now, let's get into it. For decades, if you had a question, you'd Google it. It's simple, reliable, and it's become a verb for a reason. You type in your keywords, and Google's powerful algorithms sift through trillions of web pages, ranking them based on relevance, authority, and countless other factors. You get a list of links, and you click through to find your answer. It's a directory, a massive digital library card catalog. But now, a new challenger has entered the ring. AI. I'm talking about large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others. Instead of giving you a list of links to find the answer, these AI models give you the answer directly. You ask a question in plain English, like you're talking to a person, and it generates a conversational, synthesized response. It's not a librarian pointing you to the right shelf. It's the expert who has read all the books and is summarizing the key points for you. So, the first major difference is the process. Google is a search engine. It finds information. AI is a generative engine. It creates information based on what it has learned. With Google, you're the researcher, piecing together information from different sources. With AI, you're having a conversation with a knowledgeable assistant who does the initial synthesis for you. This leads us to the big question. Which one is more accurate? This is where things get tricky. Google's strength is its direct link to the source. You can see the website, where the information comes from, check its credibility, and compare it with other sources. You have transparency. If you're looking for the latest news, a specific research paper, or official government data, Google is fantastic because it points you directly to the primary source. AI, on the other hand, is a bit of a black box. It pulls information from a massive dataset of text and code it was trained on. But it doesn't always tell you where it got each specific piece of information. Sometimes AI can hallucinate, which is a fancy way of saying it makes stuff up. It can confidently state facts that are completely wrong because it is essentially predicting the next most likely word in a sentence, not verifying facts in real time. For example, if you ask an AI for the winner of a sports game that just finished, it might not know because its training data could be a few months old. Google, however, will show you live scores and news articles published seconds ago. So for real-time time-sensitive information, Google still has the upper hand. Well, that's as of the time of this video anyway. AI technology is growing extremely fast and is already starting to get into real-time search. So, very shortly we can probably expect it to be a real-time. But, let's talk about where AI truly shines. It's incredible for brainstorming, summarizing complex topics, writing code, or even creating a meal plan based on the ingredients you have in your fridge. Ask an AI to explain quantum computing like it's a 5-year-old, and you'll get a beautifully simple analogy. Ask Google the same thing, and you'll get a list of articles. Some simple, some highly technical, and you'll have to sort through them yourself. AI saves you that mental energy. It's about efficiency and creativity. So, can you trust AI? The answer is, it depends. You should treat it like a very smart, very helpful, but sometimes forgetful intern. It's an amazing starting point, but you should always double-check critical information, especially for academic, medical, or financial decisions. Never take an AI's output as absolute gospel without verification. Use it as a tool to accelerate your work, not to replace your critical thinking. So, what does the future look like? I don't think AI will replace Google outright, at least not anytime soon. Instead, we're seeing a merger. Google is already integrating powerful AI features directly into its search results, with AI-powered summaries appearing at the top of the page. They're calling it the Search Generative Experience. This gives you the best of both worlds. A quick, synthesized answer from AI, with the traditional list of verifiable links right below it. The real game changer isn't AI versus Google, it's how they work together. Your workflow might soon look like this. You ask a broad question, get an AI summary to understand the basics, and then use the provided links to dive deeper into the sources that matter most. It's a shift from just searching to having a dynamic research conversation. Think of it this way. Google is the library, and AI is your personal research assistant. You wouldn't fire your assistant just because the library exists. And you wouldn't close the library just because you have an assistant. You use them together to get the best possible results. Ultimately, the better tool depends entirely on your task. Need to find a specific website or check the latest news? Google is your go-to. Need to brainstorm ideas for a video script, debug some code, or get a quick summary of a historical event? AI is your new best friend. The key is to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each and use them intelligently. The future of information isn't about choosing one over the other. It's about mastering both to become smarter, faster, and more creative. The search bar is evolving, and so are we. What do you think? Are you using AI more than Google these days? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really curious to know which one you prefer and why. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can join me for the next one. Until then, stay curious. Thanks for watching.